With materials that can last up to 12,000 years, the Church of Scientology's Archival Project could almost be considered complete. The only remaining question is where to put them. And so begins the final phase of the Church of Scientology's Archival Project: permanent storage. It begins with a time capsule. There are estimated to be more than 10,000 time capsules in the world. Beginning in the 1700s, they've been used by everyone, from the Founding Fathers to Ivy League academics, to preserve items of cultural value for future generations. But the contents of the vast majority of capsules opened thus far are highly deteriorated, and in some cases, totally destroyed. The Church's archival team creates a custom capsule design that earns them 2 separate engineering patents. It starts with a solid titanium case, strong as steel, but half the weight. The corrugated sides of the capsule are crush-resistant, produced in industrial metal presses that generate tens of thousands of pounds of force. Aside from crushing, this capsule can withstand atomic flash, severe radiation, and subsequent fallout. It is unaffected by acids, alkaline corrosion, and saltwater, drought, extreme temperatures, and it has a melting point of more than 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is close to the temperature of volcanic lava. The size of every item in the entire library is configured to exact specifications. From the outset, the team had this endgame in mind the whole time.
All the materials in the library, the stainless steel plates, the archival books, the Millennium Editions, and the metal records are all sized exactly to fit in that one-time capsule.
Loaded with materials, the team seals the container with a continuous solid, pure silver wire. The precision fit of this seal forms an airtight connection that can hold for centuries. They tighten the 36 solid titanium bolts in a specific pattern to an exact torque specification. Then the team evacuates the oxygen and fills it with argon gas, which is stable and inactive. The team confirms the integrity of the seal with a leak detector. With the seal confirmed, they place the time capsule into a thermal container. The inner core of this container is the same ceramic tile used to protect spacecraft while re-entering the atmosphere. Its shell is reinforced with a fine stainless steel mesh and skinned with silicone. To hold the time capsules, the team engineers a custom rack. It holds 6 thermal containers and supports 2,000 pounds of scripture. Once fully loaded, the racks are wrapped in a heat-reflective thermal blanket.
The most exciting testing we did was the blast furnaces. We were able to run the heat now at 1,800 degrees with the capsule inside. And the capsule had no noticeable change whatsoever.
It seems that the team has managed the impossible. They have created an archive that is unerasable, unshatterable, and indestructible. There's just one thing left for the team to do: deliver the fully loaded racks to the vault. Drilled more than 400 feet into a remote hillside and some 60 feet down, this vault lays on a thick bed of reinforced solid concrete. It is a 2-story, 375-foot cylindrical steel structure, constructed of 450 independent segments of welded steel plates, wrapped in a network of more than 3 miles of 1-inch stainless steel cable. The 2 interior levels of the vault provide nearly 13,000 square feet of storage space and fit more than 600 stainless steel storage racks. Additional steel cables suspend the upper floor, allowing it to move independently from the lower floor. As a result, every part of it is flexible. A rigid, fixed structure, when hit by a forceful wave, will break crack, or bend out of shape. But a structure that can move with energy waves can thereby protect the contents within. It is this exact reason the team designed the vault this way. It is one of the only items that the team was never able to fully test, until nature did it for them.
Well, essentially, we got a test that we didn't really plan on with this vault, which is that we had a fairly major earthquake. One of our staff was actually inside the vault, and when the earthquake happened, it was a rolling earthquake, and he could see the door down at the end of the vault, and the door would actually go out of his sight and then back in again. The vault was actually moving around 3 feet from end to end, which is pretty major. And he's safe and he's here today because that vault is constructed as it is and moved and shifted exactly like it was supposed to, exactly as it was designed by the engineers.
With this assurance that Scientology's scripture will last into the future, no matter what happens, the task the team set out to accomplish is done. Decades of research, development, and painstakingly detailed work, the Church of Scientology's Archival Project has resulted in the preservation of Mr. Hubbard's life's work, the Millennium Edition archival books, the impervious metal records, and steel-bound books, and the time-defying permanent storage. Scientology's scripture is a virtually indestructible library, safeguarded against whatever eventuality. The Church's Archival Project has ensured that the materials of Scientology will be here for eternity.